Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir. I'm talking to you. So our refrigerator is starting to go on us. And so we went tonight. Bobby, can you help her, please? Help Brayton, please. We went tonight to look at a new refrigerator and we got stop. We got so excited to actually get them and like go through and buy them. And Justin like drove his truck, I drove the van. We went separately because we thought we were walking out there with the refrigerator. No. COVID-19. Everything's on back order. He's like, could be July, could be 3 months from now. Okay. The refrigerator quit. Just quit working. Justin's like, I don't think the temperature's right on it. Well, it said it was 52 inside of there. And he said, I think I need to bring the refrigerator up from the basement. And I said, yeah, that'd probably be really good if we did that. Like, that makes the most sense to me. And so then he got really mad because I couldn't help but sing a song to him, and it made him super mad. We are in the process of buying a refrigerator, but everything's like on back order if you go to like Home Depot or Lowe's or any of those places. So we had to make do with what we had. And I'm so thankful for the refrigerator that was in the basement. Like, so thankful. So this is our view right now. We have this refrigerator. The freezer side's still doing okay. And then we have this one. And I started singing, it's a redneck life for us. It's a redneck life for us. And Justin got so mad. But, I mean, it's doing its job. We did have to throw a bunch of stuff away though. And, I mean, we still have some things in here, but not really anything. I don't even know. Oh. No, this is more like a refrigerator. He made sure to keep his hot sauce safe. Tell me what you just said about the refrigerator.
I miss the refrigerator.
You do?
I don't want to give this away.
But it doesn't work.
It does work.
It doesn't work.